Do you compare yourself to other people's body type, appearance, money, relationship, status, or success? Comparing ourselves to someone else is a form of self-sabotage. It places us in a box of limitation that keeps us stuck in mediocrity. I'm Shara, the Mind Magic Coach, and I help people reconnect with and activate their inner power so they can heal themselves and design the life that they truly deserve and desire. Playing small stifles spontaneity and inspiration, thus bringing death to the door of creativity. Creative energy comes from the divine inspiration. It's that spark of raw energy, drive, joy, and excitement that we get when we have a new idea about something. But when we compare ourselves to other people and try to replicate what they're doing, we lose that spark. A part of us dies, and it blocks our ability to pull new ideas down from the ether. This kind of energy is chaotic until we claim the idea for ourselves and shine our unique light upon it, giving it some structure and some form, i.e., manifestation. There is a difference, though, between comparison and observation, however. I can observe someone's life and say, I'm inspired by how they live their life, and I'd like to know how they accomplished that. This is being inspired and observing success in an area of life that you're looking to improve for yourself. Comparison is looking for similarities between you and another person. Now, there's nothing wrong with noticing how you might be similar, but the danger is when you find the similarity and then you feel inadequate because you assume that that person's experience is better than yours. Trying to become them or copy an inspired idea that they might have had and they've shined their unique light on it is when we start to live inauthentically. If you've ever compared yourself to someone else and felt inadequate instead of inspired, it simply means you never received confirmation that you are enough. I'm here to tell you, you are enough. We have creative ideas flowing through us all the time. They seem to be hidden because we've not learned how to trust our instincts and may still be seeking outside validation that our ideas are good enough to breathe life into. To move into a space of self-approval and to connect to trust, we must take the time to just be with ourselves. Now, you can do this in meditation, taking a walk, or journaling. It is in the self-reflection that we find our true essence, and when we do, we never run out of fresh ideas that serve our highest good and the good of others. Once again, I am Shara, the Mind Magic Coach, and this has been another Mind Magic Minute. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.